G'day, here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal, been broken out of larger stones, rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted to help bring out the colours. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. These are basically seam pieces, like here, needs to be ground off to get to the opal underneath. Seam running around here. Another seam up here. That's the first piece. Second piece, nice thick seam. What to do with this is cut that off a little bit perhaps, and then that's going around here, the seam, so you'll probably be able to split that. Last piece. Such a promising piece, this piece. Bit of colour on the end there. I'll basically throw that piece in, I think. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.